Welcome to Dickin Around in the Shed. We do dicking around stuff, but we ain't gonna do much in the shed today. I got to do some truck maintenance. Got a corroded battery that hits the glove. Run that intro. We move out to the outside. Say it was cold. Well, here we got my F-150 2010. So this truck's 10 years old. Original battery. Notice the corrosion. Hope you can notice the corrosion. So it's sat there in the yard at the truck where I work from, and it was didn't want to crank this morning. Well, I'm gonna clean these battery cables. I'm gonna get me a 10mm look like, and clean the corrosion off. Maybe I can get a little bit more life out of that 10-year-old battery. Okay, so it's not a 10mm, it's a 5/16. It off, so I'm gonna clean the inside of this with some this sandpaper. Try to anyway. Take your jewelry off. You wear rings and you're working on it, and you can't, and the arch, you can't get that ring off quick enough, or you get 3rd-degree burns. I believe that battery is about dead. I ain't gonna chance it. Cold nature and cold. I'm gonna go get a new battery. Nope. Yeah. Well, appreciate you sticking around to the end. You can check out that video there and that one. I'm gonna run to Advance and get me a battery.